Hello, today we are going to learn about quantifiers. Do you have any idea about quantifiers? What are they? How we use them? Today I'm going to teach you how we use quantifiers in English. Let's first see the board, please. We have quantifiers in English. Quantifiers tells us how many or how much things we have according to uncountable and countable nouns. Do we remember what was countable and uncountable ones? For example, we have this question, how many? We can ask this question to countable ones. Countables mean we can count them. 1 friend, 2 friends, 3 friends. Okay? Or 1 book, 2 books. We can make them plural. It means this is countable. We have also how much question. How much? We use how much question for uncountable because we cannot make them plural. See, can we see 1 rice? 2 rices? No, we can't say because we can't count rice, sugar, liquids and gases. Okay? So we don't say 1 rice, 2 rices. We cannot make plural of uncountable nouns. And then the quantifiers added before noun. Let's see the example in here. There are many students. There are a few books. As I said to you before, quantifiers added before noun which has big quantity or small quantity or no quantity, like any. Let's figure it out. If we see there are many students, it will be, for example, 4 students, okay? For example, if we say there are a few books on table, maybe 2 or 3, but not too much, okay? Averagely, we see. If I said there are not any books on the table, it was big quantity, okay? It was, big quality or large quality. It was small quality. It was no quality, okay? There is no, there aren't. And we have also uncountable quantifiers. Yeah. Do you remember that we can say there are many students, but we can't say there are many rices, sugars, because if we cannot count them, we cannot make it plural. So it will be uncountable. Let's see the example here. These are countable quantifiers. These are uncountable quantifiers. For example, this is uncountable noun and we add before the noun. This is our quantifiers, okay? And second one, there is a little water in the bowl. We know what is the bowl? Yes, a little water because we cannot count the liquid ones. That's why we use these quantifiers for uncountables. A little, okay? There is a little. I have some flashcards. for big quality? Yes, there are many onions. Okay, because we can make it plural. It will be. It means this is countable. If we use countable quantifiers, we say. By the way, if we have large quality, we can put many. If we have small quality, not this one. What is this? Yes, this is an apple. There are a few apples, isn't it? We can make it. And this is banana. Yes, banana. Think about, we don't have banana. Let's make a sentences. There isn't any banana, isn't it? Any banana. We have, yes, lemon. I have, think about 5 lemons in here. Yes, we say there are many bananas, okay? And then I have an orange. Yes, orange. There are a few oranges in the bag, in the fridge. Yes, this is cucumber. Who can tell me with big quality? Cucumber? Yes, there are many cucumbers. We have carrots. Let's do this together. I can give you these things. Maybe you can make sentences and you can tell us. And we know what is countable quantifiers. Let's check it out. Uncountable ones. I said to you before, we can count liquids. Okay, we can count water. We can count oxygen. 1 oxygen, 2 oxygens. No. Also, we can't count sugar. Can you think that you can count sugar by 1 bite? No. That's why we put much. Okay. And the other thing is that our quantifiers, like was many, a few, much, a little. Also we have a lot of, some, and any. I have examples in here. Let's check it out. There are a lot of cars in picture. It means I can use a lot of with countable nouns because I can make the nouns plural. It means I can count. See the second example here. There isn't a lot of time. Do you remember? Who can count the time? Nobody? Yes. Time is uncountable, but we can use a lot of with uncountable ones. Okay? And a lot of is big quality. Okay? Many is also big one. A few one small quality. Much is big quality. A little is small. And then we have some. Not too much, but enough. See the example. Jack. Hey, Mary, have we got any milk in the fridge? Mary. Oh, no, Jack. We haven't got any milk in the fridge, but we have some water. Let's see here. It means, any means there is no, absolutely not. And see, we use, we can't water is uncountable, but I can use some with countable and uncountable verbs, nouns. In here, we have important rules like if we have a question sentences, we can just use any, okay? Any for question. Also, we can use any with negative sentences, okay? But we have some here, and we can use some in just positive, affirmative sentences, okay? Our important rule is that any for question and negative sentences, but some is for affirmative one, positive sentences, okay? See in the example in here. And then if we summarize the key points on the board, we can use many with countable for big quality. We can use a few for countable and small quality. We can use much with uncountable and big quality. We can use a little with uncountable and small quality. Also, we have a lot of, some, and any. We can use a lot of, some, any with countable, also uncountable nouns. But we have important rule is that some is use it for just positive sentences, but any for question and negative ones. And do you have any question about this? Did you understand clearly? Are you ready for your homework? You have homework. Maybe in your home, in your kitchen, you can find countable and uncountable nouns. Could you please find nouns and could you please write nouns with these quantifiers? If you can count, use them. If you cannot count, use them. If you can count or you can't count according to the rules, can you please write a small paragraph for me with 10 sentences? Thank you for listening for the lesson.